Welcome to the channel that brings you the future of freedom, adventure, and cutting-edge design. Welcome to the world of next-generation camper motorhomes. Today, you're in for something truly exciting as we introduce the 2025 Iveco camper motorhome. A vehicle that's not just a means of transportation, but a lifestyle upgrade, a statement of luxury, mobility, and independence for those who dare to dream and explore. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on a secluded beach, or watching the sunrise over a mountain range, all from the comfort of your own mobile sanctuary. That's exactly what the 2025 Iveco camper offers, complete freedom without sacrificing the comforts of home. Built on the solid and reliable foundation that Iveco is known for, this camper motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a mobile home, a workspace, a retreat, and a passport to discovering the world on your own terms. Now, why is everyone talking about the 2025 model? Because it's a bold evolution in the camper world. The exterior design alone is a head-turner, sleek, aerodynamic, and modern, yet rugged enough to handle the toughest terrains. It doesn't just look good, it performs. With its reinforced chassis and improved suspension system, it's ready for off-grid adventures, long road trips, and everything in between. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a year-long expedition, this camper is designed to go the distance. Under the hood, the 2025 Iveco camper is powered by a highly efficient and robust engine, offering excellent fuel economy without compromising on power. You'll feel the difference the moment you hit the road. The torque is smooth, the handling is precise, and the ride is incredibly quiet for a vehicle of its class. It doesn't just get you to your destination, it makes the journey a pleasure. Step inside, and you'll find a living space that redefines what a camper motorhome can be. The interior is a masterclass in intelligent design. Every inch has been carefully crafted to maximize space, comfort, and functionality. High-quality materials, ambient lighting, and a sleek, contemporary layout give the interior a premium feel. There's no compromise here, just pure comfort and modern elegance. The living area is roomy and inviting, with plush seating and a convertible dining space that easily adapts to your needs. Whether you're entertaining guests, enjoying a family dinner, or working remotely, the space adjusts to fit your lifestyle. And speaking of working remotely, yes, this camper is equipped with the latest connectivity options, including high-speed Wi-Fi compatibility, multiple charging ports, and optional satellite systems to keep you connected wherever you are. The kitchen is a fully functioning culinary hub. With state-of-the-art appliances like an induction cooktop, microwave, full-sized refrigerator, and even a smart coffee maker, you're not just cooking on the road, you're dining in style. Storage is plentiful, with custom cabinetry that makes the most of every nook and cranny. When it's time to relax and recharge, the bedroom is your private oasis. Depending on the configuration, the 2025 Iveco camper offers a queen-sized or two twin beds with premium memory foam mattresses, stylish decor, and even blackout shades for uninterrupted sleep. There's also ample wardrobe space and under-bed storage to keep things organized and clutter-free. The bathroom is another area where the Iveco camper truly shines. You'll find a full wet bath with a high-pressure shower, modern fixtures, and even a skylight for natural lighting. The built-in water filtration system ensures you have clean water wherever your travels take you, while the eco-friendly waste management system makes off-grid living easier than ever. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 model. Iveco has included the latest in driver assistance technology to ensure peace of mind on the road. From lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control to blind spot monitoring and 360-degree cameras, you're protected from every angle. Parking is a breeze, navigating tight spaces is less stressful, and long drives are more relaxing thanks to features designed to support you. This camper also comes with smart systems for energy and climate control. Solar panels on the roof help power your appliances and electronics, while a smart battery management system keeps you off-grid longer without worry. The climate control system adapts to the external environment, keeping your living space comfortable whether you're in the snowy mountains or a hot desert plain. One of the most impressive things about the 2025 Iveco camper is its customization options. You can choose from multiple layouts, color schemes, and feature packages to build a camper that truly reflects your lifestyle. Whether you're a digital nomad, a weekend warrior, or a full-time van lifer, there's a version of this camper made just for you. This isn't just a camper, it's a revolution in how we think about travel and living. With the 2025 Iveco camper, you're not tied to one place. You're not limited by hotel check-ins or flight schedules. You're free to go wherever the road takes you, with everything you need riding right along with you. It's about more than just transportation, it's about transformation. Transforming how you travel, how you live, and how you connect with the world around you. So if you're ready to break free from the ordinary, explore without limits, and live life on your terms, then you're in the right place. Stick around as we dive deeper into the features, specs, real-world performance, and all the reasons why the 2025 Iveco camper is one of the most exciting motorhomes of the year. Trust us, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and join our community of explorers, adventurers, and road lovers. Because the road is calling, and the 2025 Iveco camper is the perfect way to answer it.